Hello and welcome to a new Photoshop tutorial. I'm Andrei, and in this advanced manipulation tutorial I will show you how to create this colorful manipulation in Photoshop CC. I say Photoshop CC because I used Photoshop CC to create it. So I suggest you use at least Photoshop CS6 because some of the things are a lot easier to do in Photoshop CC and some of them can only be done in Photoshop CC. I'm going to show you alternative ways of doing this as I go through the tutorial. On my website you will find the links to all of these images, so you can download them from there if you're a premium user, and also this PSD file. So what I'm going to show you in this tutorial, what I really want to focus on is how to create this colorful tones and how to get this night effect, because the background, as you can see, let me see if I can find it right here, I started from this, so you can see it's a pretty bright image. So I'm going to show you how to darken this and how to get that fantasy looking tone that you see here. So I suggest you use this image that I give you here because I'm going to skip the steps of cropping the background. I use the pen tool to remove everything from here, and the original image had a lot of stuff here, so I spent like an hour cleaning the image. So if you don't want to do that, if you don't want to spend time doing that, you can just open this PSD file, get this image right as it is, cropped, and then start working from here if you don't want to spend time doing that. So I'm not going to spend time showing you how to crop things from the background because you're supposed to know that. But what I want to show you is how to create this, how to get these tones, how to create these light effects, because this file was not present in the original image. These are all stock images, and the glows were painted and the lights were painted manually. As you can see here, let me deactivate the top final image. You can see the lights here, the lights group, this was painted manually, and also the fire, I used a stock image for that. I'm going to show how to create this fairy dust and how to create this colorful butterflies there, and also how to create this flying pages here using 2D textures. I didn't use a 3D for this, I just made using the warp tool. I'm going to show you how I warped this to get this folding effect that you can see here. See that? And that's pretty much it. The colors that I used for this manipulation, I saw a movie, I don't remember the name, I'm going to put you a screenshot here. And I like the tones that they used on that movie, and I tried to do something using the same tone. So this is my manipulation. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and let's get started.